Yeah, it's got the Yellow Bombardier fired up here. Got to do some testing on the engine. Wants to follow through on some wiring that he did here. Make sure it's all good. Kind of noisy in the shop right now with the Yellow Bombardier running. We also got the fan running. But he's been busy here all morning connecting a bunch of the tubes and hoses together. So he's just following through on some of the wiring underneath the dash panel, and it's a real mix of wiring again. It's like guys just grabbed scrap pieces of wire from wherever they could, and nothing's color coded. And then you have like red wires with blue wires, with green wires, with yellow wires. So he's just trying to follow everything through. And if he can figure out what everything is and trace the lines, he's just going to replace all the wiring. I don't know why guys do this. Like they're trying to save 6 cents a wire somewhere. You know, just replace the whole damn wire and be done with it. No leaks. September 3rd, and pretty overcast day here at the shop with smoke in the air, heavy smoke in the air. Started like this last night, and that's why we got the fan running in the shop with Dad working on the Yellow Bombardier, and he has got the fan on just to get the air going. So the smoke mixed with the exhaust fumes might be a little loud during the video. This your shop? So no mistaking that Bombardier sound from way out in the shop here. And it's just a regular day.